Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking quick actions now. Check Windows build and any new USB or PCIe devices. This narrows suspects. Once done, boot into safe mode or Windows recovery environment and create a file backup. Do not skip that. Next, locate the crash dump at C/Windows/memory, DMP, or use automated log collector. Make sure to note the exact error string, PNP detected fatal error. This helps target drivers versus device failures as you proceed. You now analyze the evidence and remove culprits. Load the dump into WinDBG and run. Analyze V. Identify driver or device listed as faulting. Once identified, disable or uninstall that driver from Device Manager in safe mode or physically disconnect the device if external. Then update BIOS, chipset, and related drivers using manufacturer-assigned packages. This often resolves compatibility issues. Make sure to reboot after each change and confirm whether the crash persists before moving forward. Finish by repairing system files and validating stability. Run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corruption that can cause PNP errors. Once complete, reboot and test system stability. Reintroduce devices one at a time so you can isolate a failing piece. If the error persists, roll back to a restore point or perform a clean install as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If crashes continue, swap suspect hardware to a known good machine to confirm whether the problem is the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.